Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to take a look at Blackberry Curve 9320. This is an old Blackberry phone which is released in 2012. I already unboxed this phone, but I had it unopened for almost 9 years. But I decided to open this phone because I had to buy a new battery because the battery that this phone had was already swollen. Now, first opening the box, we see the phone. It still has the plastics. I did not remove them. Let's see what else is inside the box. This is a small charger that the box had. This is the charging cable. It's an old micro USB charging cable, which is type A on one side and micro USB on the other. This is the quick start guide. It unfolds. Here was the battery of the phone, but the battery was swollen and I had to throw the battery away. These are the earphones. We have the function button here. We have a clip. You can see the left-right branding. This is the phone itself. Here we have a camera which can record videos. Blackberry branding here. If we slide the phone down, we can open it. And here we have the battery. We have the SIM slot here. We have the volume buttons. We have another function button here on the right side. On the left side we have the charging port, which is micro USB. This is the battery of the phone. This is a new battery that I actually got after 9 years that I had the phone. Now let's power on the phone and take a look. Now while the phone is turning on, let me read you some specifications. This is a phone that it was released on May 2012. It has a 2.44 TFT display. Now the latest OS on this device is Blackberry OS 7.1. It comes with 512 megabytes of RAM and 512 megabytes of ROM, which is half gigabytes of RAM and half gigabytes of storage. The camera is 3.15 megapixels. It has an LED flashlight. It can record video. It doesn't have a selfie camera. And the battery is 1450 milliamperes, which is removable, as you saw. Now, this is the phone. The button here on the middle, it has a touch function. Now you can see that the phone has powered on. We are on the menu now, and we can slide through the menu with the button here on the middle. Now let me open the browser real quick. And as you can see, Google still works. Now let's take a look through the phone menu and check out the apps. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Now that the BlackBerry has gone out of business, the only smartphone company that is keeping the physical QWERTY keyboard alive is Unihertz. This is the Unihertz Titan Slim, and as you can see, it has a physical keyboard just like BlackBerry. And with that being said, I want to thank you for watching this video. I will see you on the next one.